Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to get the file creation time of two files. So I've got file 1 here which is on my desktop, so that's the path to my desktop, and the file is called a.txt. I've got file 2 here which is on my desktop and it's called b.txt. So we're going to get the creation time and find out which one was created first. Okay, so to get the creation time, we're going to start off with creating a variable called scalar m time 1. Assign this to stat. So this is going to get the file info, and that's going to be scalar file 1, and we're going to do 9 here, and this will extract the modification time. Okay, so we're going to do the next one, my scalar m time 2. It's going to be stat. It's going to be scalar file 2, and there we go. Now we're going to compare the two files. So if scalar m time 1 is greater than scalar m time 2, we're going to print a message to the user. Print scalar file 1 is newer than scalar file 2. New line character there. Else if scalar m time 1 is less than scalar m time 2, I'm going to print another message. Print scalar file 2 is newer than scalar file 1. Or else, what's the alternative? They can both be the same. So I'm simply going to print here. So print, just print it here. Print same creation date. Okay, so we're going to be comparing those two files there. Now all we have to do is call the program, which is going to be create time, save it, and call the program. Oops, it's an issue there. Okay, the problem was it's not b.txt, it's e.txt. So b.txt does not exist. So I've got two files, a.txt and e.txt. So let's run it. Okay, so there you go. So it says C uses a.txt is newer than e.txt. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.